Hello, I've already started the video at this point, but this clip will go to the beginning of the video because this is very important. Thank you all so much for 10,000 subscribers. That's actually insane. I never thought that I would make it to this point. Like, that's actually crazy. So thank you to each and every one of you who have been here from the beginning, or if you're new, or if you're just watching one of my videos for the first time. So thank you all so much. This has been an incredible journey, and maybe we'll continue it and maybe we won't. On with the video. Hi kids, this is a video frame test, just making sure I look good, making sure Grandma and Papa look good. Hi Grandma and Papa. Oh yeah, I look good. Grandma and Papa do too, I guess. Hello, children, adults, senior citizens. Today we're doing a super cool project. Oh yeah, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. This might be the last video. If you want an explanation, ask, but I'm pretty sure nobody wants an explanation. So today we're gonna be making a bike out of cardboard. Sort of. Cool. Let's do it. See this wall? It's boring. That poster's upside down. My bad. But look, it's kind of boring. Compared record wall, that's super cool. This, not so much. So we're gonna replicate this bike that I'm about to show you in 3, 2, 1. Here it is, this bike. We're gonna replicate this one, but just out of cardboard. It's kind of cool. I'm not gonna paint it, but the cardboard thing. But here are all of the measurements that I need to take. Measurements. Let's get started. Cardboard. So here's the plan. I'm making these little ribbed cages, ribs, for the tube so that when I curl cardboard over it, it'll hold its shape. Let me tell you about my goal for this project. My goal for this project is to combine everything that I have learned in the several years that I have been working with cardboard, to combine everything I have learned about the material of cardboard and apply it to this project. Not that I don't do that with every project, but I'm trying to get creative in the ways that I use it, embrace its little oddities and quirks and imperfections. Therefore, this project will be imperfect, but therefore perfect. I also hope to muster up all of my editing and continuity skills to make this the coolest video for you to watch. I peeled off this cardboard, and now I peeled the, what do you call this? The face of the cardboard? I peeled off the face of the cardboard. That sounds really grotesque. I peeled off the face of the cardboard so I can use it as the skin, I guess, for these. I don't know. What is the terminology? Does anybody know the proper terminology for cardboard? I feel like never mind.
Birds don't just fly.
Okay, my friends, here is the top tube in all of its glory. Super cool. This is just how we're doing the top tube, not how we're doing the rest of them. I still gotta do these two tubes. Check that out. It's all glued together. It looks so cool. Look, it's like that's like a bike. That's crazy. That's insane. I think I'll do the fork next. That part right there. Come on. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna turn it like that, and then I'm just gonna. Whoa, that is incredible. Very cool. There are a couple of details that I need to add to the frame before I proceed. I need some little thingies that hold the bearings here, and a little clamp thing. Boom, seat post clamp thing. Those are done. They're done too. Awesome. Now we can glue on the fork. Epic. So cool. Gnarly, dude. Now for a part that I'm not looking forward to, and that's the wheels. It's a lot of circles and curves, and cardboard just isn't really circly or curvy. I have a plan, I think. It's kind of sticking up, isn't it?
Me. Oh, no, you're one.
Noise. Okay, these are done. These are the wheels, but not quite the wheels. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut around the thing, and it's gonna be awesome. Watch. Oh, darn, that looks good. So here's the plan for the next things we're going to be doing. So I need a chain ring and a crank. I need a cog back here, do a chain, handlebars, and a seat. I've drawn out the big chain ring. It looks like a tomato. Tomato? Nah. Chain ring. Okay, now, both of these are done. This looks epic. Looks like tomato. This is also very epic. Yes, now it needs a chain, because that's like what makes the bike go. Chain. Chain. Epic. We're just gonna glue a couple of things on to the frame. It's gonna really start coming together. That looks pretty good. Now all I need is the seat and the handlebars, but I guess we'll start with the seat because that's boring. Forget what I said earlier. I found a way to make this interesting. Epic. I've got the measurements for the stem and the handlebars. It's a little complicated. We'll figure it out. Stem's done. Here's my crazy idea for the handlebars. So here I have a little bit of cardboard cut out in the shape of the handlebars for sort of a template. And then here I have some of those half circles that I used for like supports in the tubing earlier. Hey, be quiet. Hey! Shh. Oh my goodness, I'm closing the door. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm going to use these little half pieces and I'm going to glue them all along the handlebars like that. Wait, sort of like this. I might be a little in over my head. That's 7 of them. That's 10. That's 16. That's 23. 23. That's 23. This is 30. Ah! This is 34. I need one more. One more. Okay. There we go. Now it's time to glue all these puppies on. They on. This also might just be one of the most satisfying things you will ever hold in your entire life. Like, whoa. Epic! Boop. Cool. The crank's gonna be a little fancier, but let me show you. Template. Trace. Cut. Trace some more. Cut some more. Epic always. Some very basic pedal thingies. Basic pedal, but awesomely basic. Basically, it's basically awesome. So as you can see here, there's a lot of things that haven't been glued down yet. It's time to do that now. So there's a lot of hot glue in there, so we're gonna have to let it sit and dry properly for a while. Okay, it's been a while. I think we can take this off and check it now. Hey, it stays on. I think it's time to hang this thing up. Oh no! Oh, I spilled the nails everywhere. Like it never even happened. This has got to come down. Time to hammer holes in our wall. Whoa! That's cool. Now for the wheels. Check that out. Oh, that's pretty cool. I made that. It's montage time. What's that you said? You liked this video? I'm glad. Well, lucky for you, I liked this video too. I had fun making this. So for now, I'm going to try to make videos a little bit more consistently because I really liked making this video. Well, I already know you guys have enjoyed this episode of Cardboard Craft, so I feel like I don't even have to tell you, but I'm going to anyway. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, in case you guys were wondering, this is how many half circles I had to cut out. All for you guys. All for you guys.